Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find nearby people in Instagram. You can easily find nearby people you in Instagram. For this, you need to open your Instagram application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Then it will take you to home page. Now tap on the small search icon on the down. Then tap on the search bar on the top. Now enter the location. Then tap on small search icon. After this, it will take you to For You page. Now tap on Places option. Now here you can see the places. Now tap on the place in which you want to find people nearby. Now here you'll be able to find stories and posts that people have posted on their Instagram by adding their location. Now you can tap on the small circle on the top, and then it will help you to see stories of people who have mentioned the location on their stories or the post. On the top, you'll also be able to find the name of the Instagram account. You can tap on the name of the Instagram account, and then it will take you to their Instagram. With this, now you'll be able to find people nearby you. You can similarly repeat the process, and then you can find different people around you. Now you need to know that you can find these people if they have mentioned the location on their stories or post. This is how we can find nearby people in Instagram. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.